Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2016 BMW S1000rr premium package. This is BMW's full-size sport bike. Has the 1000cc 4-cylinder fuel-injected engine, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title, California bike. Bike has 31,123 miles on the odometer. We have all the service records on hand. ABS brakes, new Michelin tires, traction control, multi-mode rider positions. This bike runs beautifully, super clean, has all the options that you'd want out of a sport bike, and it's priced at $13,999 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out.